And fighting out of Grafton, New South Wales, ladies and gentlemen, Zach Cotton. This man is undefeated. 8 fights, 8 wins, 6 coming by way of knockout. Fighting out of Hoppers Crossing in Melbourne, he is Khalid, the Pretty Boy Baker.
Just everything off the apron, mate, please. All off the apron. Cheers. Yeah.
As the formalities are done, the action gets underway. The next bout here tonight, Khalid Baker, the sensation, the pretty boy. Out of the blue corner, Billy Hussein, Peter Hatton in his corner. And then we've got Zachy Cotton from New South Wales and Grafton. Here looking for an upset. Khalid Baker, the undefeated Khalid Baker. And, I remember calling Khalid Baker when he was kickboxing many, many moons ago. And geez, he was a young talent back then. Of course, leaving the kicks out now, he's a pure boxer and equipping himself quite well. 90 kilos, he stands, 6'1". Formidable fighter, Baker. Snappy jab. As I said, from a young age, he always had a lot of talent. And now he's settled into his professional fighting career. But looking to upset his progress is Zach Cotton. Cotton, purple trunks, white trim. Baker, predominantly white trunks. Pops the jab. Got his lead hand very low, Cotton. You can bet that Baker's corner is going to call for him to roll that right hand over the top of that left glove. Feed off the jab and counter it with a right hand if he gets the opportunity. Here at Big Time Boxing, Melbourne Pavilion. I'm Mark the Hammer Castellini calling all the shots for you tonight. Hope you're enjoying wherever you're watching from. Baker gets in, tries to work on the inside, but is content to sit on the outside and control the distance. Clever tactics from him. Popping jab. Zach Cotton, self-trained, so showing some good moves for a fighter that's self-trained. It's a hard thing to do, train yourself. So he's certainly willing. Wants some solid shots already. Looking for a way in, and it's the height and reach advantage of Baker that's causing him a lot of angst at the moment. Moves in. Oh, big solid right hand to the body. In tight he goes. The man from the Grafton in New South Wales. This one an interstate matchup. Khalid Baker from Melbourne, predominantly training out of Fighters Express with Peter Hatton. Jabs, sets it long, pops the right hand. Beautifully done, Baker. Billy Hussein also in the corner. One of the icons of Australian boxing, Hussein. Doesn't get much better than that when you have a corner the likes of Baker's. A lot of experience and a lot of intelligent fight brains giving you direction. All counter right hand. Cotton finds a home.
Time. Round number 2.
The two H's in Baker's corner, Hatton and Hussein, giving him a bit of instructions and giving him a game plan to work on in the second round. In turn, you've got Zach Cotton. He's got to school himself. Gets down nice and low, eats a couple of punches. He needs to fire to stop the onslaught from Baker. Baker looking to retain his unbeaten record. Oh, nice hook, slapping hook from Khalid Baker. Got that right hand up on the jawline, cocked and ready has Baker. Lets it go, pulls the trigger, beautifully done. On the inside is where Cotton's the most comfortable, landing some tight shots on the inside. Baker keeping that jab working overtime, not letting Cotton have any sort of flow or any sort of clean eyesight shot. Tries to get away the hook on the inside. Cotton pushes forward though. Moves around that lead hand. Baker posting up the lead hand, looking to set that right. Cotton looking for an opening. Baker giving him nothing. Good combination, Baker. Cotton eats a short left on the way out. Leaves down low. He's got some not bad head movement. Gets under those punches nicely. Zach Cotton. Oh, lands an overhand right too on the inside. So Khalid Baker cannot relax against this man. Cotton, well capable of an upset here. Eats a couple of solid shots. Again, Baker, 1, 2, 3. Cotton walks through. How tough is he? Zach Cotton from Grafton, New South Wales. Baker again circles to his left. Switching from orthodox to south for Khalid Baker, just to make Zach Cotton's night that little bit harder. He's eating punches and Baker's switching stance here in the big-time boxing ring at the Melbourne Pavilion. Baker again looking to pull the trigger on that right hand again, but the ever-elusive Zach Cotton gets around a lot of those punches, gets down nice and low as well. Trying to find that way in. Needs to roll, and as he rolls from that low base, pops up and throws something at the same time. He's looking to catch Baker on the way in, is Cotton. Baker posts up, 1, 2. Nothing there. Keeps that jab working. Overtime, Baker. As we saw with Sam Dwyer in the previous round. 1, 2, 3. Nice. Nice stiff left hook from Baker. And they mix it up to finish the second.
Round 3.
Hey, boss, come on, put it down.
Round 3 gets underway. This one's scheduled for 10 rounds. Doubt it will go that distance, but Zach Cotton is proving a tough obstacle for Baker to overcome here tonight. But I think Baker's just enjoying his time in centre ring, and it's good to see him back. So he's going to take his time and enjoy the experience. Again, pops that right hand. Posts up. Oh, short left hook from Baker in that neutral corner. Certainly landed plumb on Cotton, but how tough is Zach Cotton? He's worn some solid shots from Baker, and a lesser man would have certainly folded, but not this man from Grafton. He keeps coming forward. Also told having a shoulder problem. Perhaps that right shoulder popping out momentarily. Jabs. Baker. Again pops the jab. Khalid Baker. Posts up. Bang goes the right hand. Cotton needs to get active, but as we said, we've been informed that he's got that shoulder injury on that right hand, as we saw the doctor checking on that in the break. So effectively this guy, Zach Cotton, fighting obviously in a bit of pain, but here for the distance. Oh, solid right hand again from Baker. Just stuns Cotton. Cotton now in the world of hurt as Baker opens up. Catches him, 3-4. Down goes Zach Cotton. Khalid Baker opening up. The throttle just being opened up, and it is all over. No more for Zach Cotton. Khalid Baker continues his winning ways. The pretty boy, Baker. Khalid Baker, what a finish.
Ladies and gentlemen, 1 minute and 50 seconds into round number 3. This fight ended, declaring winner by knockout blue corner.